guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Apple Strudel Shake. So I'm starting with my ice and water. I'm going to do about 20 ounces of ice and water combined. If you like your shakes thinner, of course add more water versus ice. If you like them thicker, add more ice. And I'm adding 1 scoop of Dulce Healthy Milk and 1 scoop of French Vanilla Healthy Milk. I'm going to add 2 scoops of our vanilla drink mix, and then 1 scoop of apple fiber. I'm adding some butter extract, about 4 drops, and then I'm adding some cinnamon. Gonna blend that, and then I'm going to decorate the cup, and I'm just putting some crushed up graham cracker in the bottom, and I'm going to decorate the cup with some sugar-free caramel syrup. Then pour the shake in. And for topping, I'm going to add some whipped cream. Some more caramel. Some more graham cracker. And some cinnamon. And that's it. That's how you make the Apple Strudel Shake. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.